In this video, I'm going to share with you how to invest in crypto like a Stoic and 3 steps to becoming a profitable crypto trader. Now, these steps have recently helped me make some incredible gains in the cryptocurrency space. So if you're interested in making money in the crypto market, watch this video until the end and take your crypto trading and investing to the next level. Are you ready to take control and design a life of true wealth and wellness? Welcome to the Wealthy Stoic, where we'll show you how to master your money, your mindset, and your health. We'll unlock the secrets to building lasting wealth, making smart investments, and achieving financial freedom. But it's not just about money. We'll explore stress management techniques, healthy habits, and longevity hacks to help you thrive. Join us at the Wealthy Stoic and discover how to live a life of abundance, balance, and purpose. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, I know what you may be thinking. Stoic? What does that have to do with investing? Well, the thing is, Stoicism is all about utilizing the wisdom that you've gained to make the best out of each circumstance and situation. It often involves sticking to a plan while being flexible when necessary. And last but not least, it requires controlling your emotions and making decisions based on reason and logic. And these are exactly what you need to do if you want to be a successful crypto trader. So let's jump right into the 3 steps to becoming a profitable trader, the Stoic way. Remember these extremely important and powerful key steps. Write them down if you have to. Step number 1, knowledge is power. Just as the Stoics believed in the pursuit of wisdom, a successful trader and investor needs a solid understanding of the market. Research different cryptocurrencies, hot narratives, and market analysis tools. Never stop learning and adapting. It can be helpful to join a successful trading group or community that are investing in specific cryptocurrencies. Step number 2, develop a trading plan and stick to it. A Stoic wouldn't rush into a battle without a strategy. Similarly, you need a well-defined trading plan that outlines your investment goals, as well as your risk tolerance and your preferred trading strategies, including entry and exit points. This will help you to stay focused and disciplined, and it'll also help you to avoid making emotional trading decisions. Now, if you're interested in creating the right trading plan and strategy for you, then I recommend you check out the Financial Freedom Academy. You can sign up to the free newsletter. The link is in the description below. You'll learn things like how to properly use a stop loss, how and when to take profits based on the charts, and how to use proper indicators to make the right decisions according to your plan. Remember, once you have a trading plan in place, it's important to stick to it. This means not making any unnecessary trades that don't fit into your plan, even if you're tempted to do so. Now, let's move into the final step. Step number 3, control your emotions. This is the cornerstone of Stoic trading. Don't let fear and greed dictate your actions. Before making any trade, ask yourself, is this decision based on logic and my strategy, or am I reacting out of fear or excitement? Take a deep breath, step back, and analyze the situation objectively. I'll be making a future video with more on this topic on how to really master your emotions. But just imagine a trader unfazed by the market's erratic swings. They don't panic sell when the price of Bitcoin takes a nosedive, nor do they chase pumps driven by the hype. This is the Stoic trader mindset, disciplined, patient, and guided by reason, not emotion. If you're enjoying this content, go ahead and subscribe so you never miss a video. Remember, to cultivate the Stoic mindset, it starts with understanding the core principles of Stoicism. Focus on what you can control. You can't control the market, but you can control your reactions to it. The Stoics believed in continuous learning and constant self-improvement. Focus on your trading plan, risk management, and continuously analyzing your trades and identifying areas for improvement. Accept what you can't control. The crypto market is unpredictable. Accept losses as part of the game and don't dwell on them. Learn from your mistakes and move on. Practice emotional detachment. Don't let fear and greed cloud your judgment. Make rational decisions based on your analysis, not your emotions. I'll leave you with this quote by Marcus Aurelius. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Don't just talk about being a successful, disciplined trader. Put in the work, develop your strategy, and follow it with unwavering commitment. By adopting a Stoic mindset, you can navigate the crypto market with clarity, resilience, and ultimately greater success. You can transform your crypto trading journey from a stressful roller coaster into a calculated and controlled pursuit of your financial goals. I hope this video has given you some valuable insights in how to invest in crypto like a Stoic. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. To your health and success. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and check out the next video for even more insights.